So I'm at St.Ann Hotel. It's the rebrand hotel I'm staying at. He tell me I dead for hungry this man and she not feed me.
But you might feed the family them first.
No! My phone job cake and you may never find me again. No, don't do that. Don't do that. I can't get to me heart and read. So I'm at St.Ann Hotel. It's the rebrand hotel I'm staying at. And thank you. And this is the lovely Jesus piece. May I try for just sure.
Yeah, man, they are chill. Now the island start rain right now. Rain. Yeah, the yellow mama.
Radam.
Okay. Yeah, for the blood clean to wanna drink. Yeah.
Rara. Hey, good morning, Rara. Good morning, Rara. Yes, sir. White River. Ocho. How far you go out? We are lucky for stay. Okay. Watch ya. The woman in slippers are go down the river. Okay, slippers going down the river.
Oh my God.
Kay left her slippers and it was going down the river.
Thank you.
Take me right there and come back. No, mommy get motion sick. Me no know, me just afraid that I know, you know, I've never been. When I was a kid, my father used to take me on the boat. Can you carry me right there and come back?
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Give me right there, son. I never been in a from I was a child.
Yeah, sit down.
You're gonna sit right, watch me, like I'm gonna sit and put. You're gonna sit right here and put over your foot right.
Me mama.
This is
Me mama.
scared. You're just born scared.
Wait.
You're going, Kay? Going, Kay? Going. Jesus Christ! No!
Sorry, my big.
No! It's okay. No, let me jump. No, life jacket.
Thank you.
Take me there, sir. Lord God Jesus, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy... Oh, my phone, Kay. I'm never... Jesus. man over there, so I want to go, man. This one.
So you have to reverse first.
I reverse this, yeah?
Like reverse it, take it
Oh,
from
Lord Jesus. I don't even know if it
This
was.
is too shallow.
It's shallow. Oh.
Yeah, it's still shallow, bro.
So you say you don't want to run up some video when I stand Susie this and come back. Right the rock side. You're scared of nothing, man. You're well protected.
Can't get motion sickness.
You're well protected. You're well protected, I tell you.
Oneyardie, I get sick.
Yeah, I get sick.
You know I get sick.
I don't mind that. What's Sambo?
Yeah?
What's Sambo?
When I go crash.
No, that's right.
Huh? Lord Jesus! What am I? Oh, okay. Ah, Lord
Okay, okay.
Jube, alright, Jube, Jube.
So, what do you guys do here? Like fishing?
Look in my shirt.
What you do?
We protect the sanctuary. This is a sanctuary.
Oh, this is a sanctuary.
See the ad where they have and look at our ad.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, man, we protect the sanctuary. We have a sanctuary outside here.
And so you guys protect the sanctuary like so that we not litter it and
No, we're not allowing no farm activity. The fishing inside the sanctuary. We
okay.
have water we work 24/7 right through the day. After we come off and next set come on from 6 to 2, from
Okay.
2 to 10 and from 10 to 6 back in the morning. We
Wow.
don't allow no farmer activity. This is
None?
No spot fishing, spear fishing, net fishing or no farmer.
That's awesome.
You understand me? It's our breeding ground. When the fish them go big,
Yeah.
that means you get a bigger fish to eat.
True.
The man them a kill out the little baby fish them.
You know, I get some the other day from Alligator and I was shocked.
Yes.
It was like this small.
Yes, man. So that we are trying to bring back and find them the small fish them.
Oh my
You
God.
understand
And that's a really good thing you guys
so
are
this boat
doing.
now is a sanctuary boat. Go away with the on duty.
Okay.
Come on back in the 12 o'clock today and next one come on back again. I'm right here so I'm turn around.
Yeah, man. This is a beautiful home. This is nice. Oh my God. I just love what you guys are doing. You know, it's amazing. With Maurice, we are come round for him for one boat.
Out here, sir.
We are come back round. We are go for one boat. We are come round for him. This is beautiful.
This is one of the most expensive villa on the whole watch place.
Oh my God. What is the name of this villa?
Prospect.
This is oh Lord Jesus.
Yes, sir, a politician.
No, you know, I know you know, sir. You don't understand. And even when me I drive, you don't want me drive you. You don't want me drive you. You trust me, don't go to my car. Them a laugh at me yesterday when you driving.
You was driving yesterday?
No, me I say, well, I did break your road wet. No, I said the road wet. But no, somebody hit us here in Jamaica before. Like, we were just simple driving to the airport, slow. And the guy tired and he might drive fast and he don't have no tire. The road is wet. Why are you speeding? And push us right into the tree on the way to the airport. I mean, a driver, if you're a smart driver, the road wet, you know your tire not good. You know what you do? You slow down, right? Smart driver.
You drive every day to look at the salon work.
Oh, I love that.
Work with chicken spot.
My name chicken spot.
It's right up by exchange road, them sell burgers and stuff.
You know me at Jamaica, I want ackee, saltfish and dumpling.
Don't sell ackee saltfish.
Yeah, man, about the foreign food, you know.
We have like a fish burger like snapper we use in there.
Okay, that's good. I like that. Because I'm not one of those, I would tell you, foreigners. I'm a Jamaican first, by heart, and I will never change. I can't change. I can't twang. I don't know if I twang. I live abroad 23 years, and I don't know how to. Because I feel I'm a Jamaican. I was born here, the land I love. And I will never trade it for nowhere in the world. You know? But I'm not a fan of the American food. Like the burgers and the scan. No.
Yeah, but they don't taste good neither.
They don't. You when me just, don't get me wrong, so me just go over. Man, yo, me not kill it. Then me put on about 300 pounds. Then me say, no, this a food that enough for me. Lord Jesus. Ooh. And then so, look, okay. What am I do? No. My phone job cake, I may never find you again. So you learn to swim?
I must drown 3 times before I learn.
So then you take you and fling in the water and you have to swim?
Got swimming class.
Oh.
But my master pick and make a swimming team by about 2 weeks.
Okay. That's awesome. I can't swim. I grew up in Alligator Pond. With a river and the sea meet.
You can't swim?
I can't swim for dear life.
Because you don't choose.
Yeah, man, you just covered and scared, you know?
Yeah, everything should cover.
Just covered.
You know this can go and hit the water, right?
Yeah, boy. That's our thing.
No, DJI. This is DJI. This is not. I have a GoPro, but this is a DJI.
Deep, put your hand in the water. Content. This side. No, over that side.
Shipwreck.
Shipwreck.
The one let me get my friend first, and we go.
There's
No,
a
seriously.
shipwreck?
Yeah, when I go see it.
Tell her to walk come down to the end.
To the end. Like, I mean, I try to call, yeah.
There's a shipwreck?
Yo! No! We can't swim! No! We can't stop! Watch a beat.
She touched the water.
Oh my God. My heart there 118. Look, 117.
Wow.
A heart attack they want to give me. I don't want to see this video. This must be a horrible video. Yeah, put the music. Hold it tight, my girl, because my guy is very okay. Oh my God. But Suki there. Suki, my sister have a big body and she will lead the boat, so we don't want her than the boat. Yeah, in body like this, like her body go over so. Yeah, and she will want she lead the boat.
Oh man, she can't sit down there and make a she sit down there and make a can't leave.
He don't understand how big she body is. It's a kaboom.
I still can't leave it for long, she sit down there and make it.
You see, you give yourself trouble. You don't say about Jamaica. So, how there? That's what you call it blue.
No, that's Jamaica Inn.
I said that hotel is not expensive for no reason. I think it's overrated.
Not really. The most movie stars and them people that go there.
Nah, yeah, you're right, but
Just
yeah.
make it simple. But it's nice. But they
It's
keep
nice, but you know, I've been to, I didn't like, I've been to the Bahamas. One day,
yeah.
Baya. The food, we get 100. The customer service, the people, the workers, them on the boat. Because then treat the return Jamaican them like shit. Maybe cuss out one of them and say, yo my girl, the same green where they carry down here, the same green me carry back. The woman treat me, give me, me rent one ocean view. They put me in a basement, at the bottom of it. Tell me now, how you would have feel if you rent? I think even the locals, them when they rent over there, they don't treat. No, so I'm going to tell me if I rent fast. Trade up and put me done right there. Oh! No, don't do that. Don't do that. I can't pretend to be hard to read. Oh! No! Jesus! Put your hand in the water. No! Oh, that's how we are go. All of that?
The man say,
I don't know what.
you come
Help
out
me,
take up the whole of the beach. No, she's still recording, auntie.
No, this is my whole family.
I don't
You
have
got her.
not left, half left.
Yeah, we can run left them. Hurry up, we left them.
Being still asleep. Oh look, Junior right there. So.
Oh, you
Mind where you
got
ask for, you know.
Oh,
Mind where you
my
ask
Junior.
for. But you want jacket.
He's showing us what they do. They protect the
The
environment.
no, what you call it? The sanctuary. The sanctuary.
Yeah, we have it go straight now to that side.
No fishing.
Eh?
Yeah, no
Farming,
looting, no nothing.
So are you guys like the Coast Guard?
Yeah.
So no uniform.
They have any uniform. See that?
Hey.
Oh, done!
Turn over, man. Still hold on and still a ball. Yeah.
We are work. So I'm working with them today to do to make sure the marine life is well taken care. Because you don't know how the Jamaican them love to take out the whole of the sea, the fish out of the sea. Baby, young ones, everything then yam. The ball come go like you when you boat with that speed, you where you ball like a baby in the bother with it.
I ate on the go before.
No much we go on the sun come back.
Yeah.
I work when them I work.
How much hour you get paid?
You might pay me I will take
What ride?
But minimum wage I raise you know.
She said she will take
Don't touch the water.
Yeah, you can't touch the water.
Liam, don't you dare.
No, you're too short.
No, me don't even try too hard. Kind of hard, not even too brave. The flag or tip now, he can't do.
This time I like
Oh, my auntie move.
No, he can't move unless I'm balanced.
No, he can't move.
No.
Oh, wait, no.
No, this is like that.
balance.
Oh. I'm not just it. Oh.
Hey.
It's okay, Paris.
Yeah, you see, but try too hard, you're right.
Okay, I'm bringing you the Maurice out now, water, and him up.
That swim come to me.
Ain't brave. You know, no fear.
Man, Mr. They have some house around here, so. You know, left here, so.
Star want to touch it too. No. Hold her. No, Paris, don't worry. Come over here, baby. Oh, you not. No, Star will come.
So I want to read it. Or just patrol and see if anybody have fish or anything like that.
You know,
Well, after the catch me, blood.
Maurice, no. Hey, we're going to drop.
No, we're not.
Don't lean. If the boat no lean, don't lean. Oh,
Hey, Papa. The menu there. That's for the Jamaican food. Anything you want, you just have to serve it for you. And then make it. Otherwise, all the, how would I say, American dishes are there, man. The menu there. Yeah.
I say, this is
That's one of them piece of paper love to start, right?
no, and it's one of the best. She's such a hard. She have a smile, but me and her can't eat. I mean, I dead for hungry this smile, and she not feed
But
me.
you might feed the family them first.
No, sir, me and first.
So
No.
you carry them so.
This is my sister. This is my sister, and she hungry, and she not eat. She just feed you, and that's it.
Oh,
Sorry to bother you, but this one say wants some of the fried bread.
a French toast. A French toast, see you.
So what you have to do, sir?
Jamaican,
See you for me, yeah.
Nuggets. And then I want this also fries. You had nuggets.
Nuggets.
No, this also fries. I love it with me.
You
Yeah,
like the
get
bush
the,
fry,
get
right?
the
Wasn't it
chicken
nice?
wing with it.
Wasn't it nice?
it was nice.
Get the chicken wing with the fries.
You know, never thought it was any fun.
Eat it real fast.
Appeal, it was a, it's a, I buy people, local people, so
Yeah.
that's a new sense.
You see, why they don't know what?
Oh, okay, thank you. I get it, thanks.
What we Jamaicans should be doing instead of selling the properties, lease them. Get a long lease.
Lease them.
Yeah, lease a 50-year lease. I don't pay them.
And he said, when the house we see, that's where they film the Annie Palmer, the one that look like the Annie Palmer house. So the films are not really made at Annie Palmer estate, the films are made in that house.
Okay.
Any movie you see about Annie Palmer is made at
Or you shooting at that house. Okay.
They will take the picture and the front of Annie Palmer, but the rest of it, and I don't think you're allowed to do it. So you know, one broke me inside.
What is Rosal?
But if they had never been around that side?
Huh?
Like you ever seen around that side?
No, and that's the side that nobody always see because it's all private roads to go down there. Yeah.
You said you're not allowed. Only him can get around, son. If the boatman can go around the buoy, but they can go as close as we went. Only if the owner, you know, there's no boat, no park, you know, there's no boat, no park, no engine, can't too much engine cannot run. So I never knew, I didn't know that Jamaica was so strict about the coral reef, and I feel like that's
Yeah, because we lose the coral reef.
yeah,
And
awesome.
if you don't have the coral reef, yeah, the fish them not know if it breed. The fish them not know if it breed, them all dead out.
And I'm just so happy that they're doing it, you know, you know, really, and they plant, they even, but they said they're breathing the coral,
Yeah, because back in the days when I was a youth, when you come up, you could see the reef run all the way back. But now it's like it disappeared.
disappear. They say they're overfishing. They're
Yeah,
catching the young
but not even that. They can blame. They can blame just the fisherman alone, because most of them hotel let out them waste in the sea.
That is true,
Yeah, so that have a high impact on the ecosystem. Back in the days, all the way out there, so you could see the reef go right across. This man notice it. It's only one little piece. Let's see. Ocho now. There's one little piece. Let's see out there.
All I know is beautiful.
No, that's nice sweet enough.
Hey, Lord Jesus, you make sure I know big motor go start and he whoa. No, sir.
Papaya and pineapple.
When they have no cameras, they have no vacation.
That's the fly.
No camera, Swansea. You know, theaters. This is where the vacation starts. Not only stuff. Food nice, eh? Yeah.
Soft cabbage. Mixed vegetable. I might be mistaken, but this year we did siblings.
Like butter.
Like it's good. Right.
You know, the dumpling, I want.
You know, because of the diet. You know, really make sure it's right flour. Whole wheat. Every time I said, "Now old man."
Yeah, old man. Radam for you.
Keep the weight down.
That-
That's money used to be at 245 pounds.
Where they look?
Come down to 206.
That you say?
I don't forget back up there.
Now that you say?
I'm there 245. Then I go back step.
You can't put on the mango in front of me?
I can't eat mango, no, but I eat.
Me and Yami.
If you definitely my way eat it.
Me are going to Yami. Master.
Do this now.
You're full.
Right,